Definitely a little colder than mine.
Yeah, this one's still like the other one, how it was, just straight out of the box cold.
Does it have a dump to it? Because I don't feel the vibration on it.
It won't till you're actually like pulling.
Okay, gotcha. Till you actually put the tension on it.
Yeah.
All right, let me double check this distance before I... It's just gonna be windy, I guess. All right, 72 yards. All right, with the ibex. Looking for the 10 ring. And I think on this one, it's kind of in that shoulder, isn't it? It's not really in the pocket, is it?
No, it's more in his shoulder.
Yeah, like straight up the leg, right?
Yep. Exactly.
All right, 72. Oh, I told you that one was... God dang. Well, that's not a good start. I've got one in my bag. I don't know why I don't just grab mine. Dang. That sucked. I've got that joker. All right, let me try again with that. Really. All right. You see anything on that?
I'm half blind right now. My contact ripped on this morning.
I understand that. I understand that.
I'll scoot this forward a little. Get you a little more height. There you go.
See what I can see. Man, I don't know exactly where it's at, but I feel like that's right in it. Is it okay if I walk down there and even see where the 10 ring is?
Yeah, you're in it.
You think so? You sure?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. I'm going to shoot it again right there, so.
Yeah, I mean, put all of them right there.
That's what I'm going to try to do. That's what I thought it was, but if I can just not dump this hinge. That's right next to it, isn't it? I don't know if it's in or not, but it's right next to the other one. Maybe just right a little. I don't know.
Yeah, that one's a little right.
That right of the 10 ring?
Yeah, I think so. You might be flirting with the edge of it.
Ibex, here it is. Yeah, mine's not this. Mine's hotter than this one, even though I blew one out of here right out of the gates. But mine gets to the click. I don't feel the click in this one, like I do mine. Felt it on that one.
That was a good solid click on that one.
Yeah, I felt that one. Let's go look at them and we'll. Since I busted the first one off in the dang. Just straight up smoked it. There's no chance that's coming out. I mean, it's gonna be broke. An idiot. Yep. Actually, it wasn't buried in as far as I thought it'd be. Like, there's the half out. Like, it's still toast, but.
Might have been able to unscrew it.
No, they're glued in.
Oh.
The way I glued them in, like they're glued. Can't believe I did that.
Boy, you sure got your height dialed in.
Yeah, sight tape's pretty good. I get all 3 of them in?
You did.
Heck yeah. Awesome. Actually, minus the one in the tree, all 3 of them are in. And then this fucking idiot. Oh, all right. How many entries have y'all had in that so far? And you said one dude came up and smoked it right out of the gate.
I think total I've got either 13